In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create and manage charts using Google Docs, a versatile and collaborative tool that can enhance the way you present data. We'll guide you through the process of inserting a chart into your document, editing it, and ensuring that your data is accurately represented. Let's get started. First, we need to open up Google Docs. Navigate to your browser and type in Google Docs or visit docs.google.com. This will take you to the Google Docs homepage where you can see all your documents. Choose a document that you want to add a chart to by simply clicking on it. Now that your document is open, let's dive into inserting a chart. Head up to the menu bar at the top of the page and look for the Insert option. Clicking this will reveal a drop-down menu with multiple options to choose from. For our purposes today, focus on finding the chart option in this menu. Once you've clicked chart, you'll be presented with a few types of charts to add. For this tutorial, we're going to select bar, which is excellent for comparing quantities. Google Docs will insert a placeholder bar chart into your document, signifying that you're ready to customize this data visualization. Next, to open the full chart options, look for and click New Chart. This will enable you to customize the chart to better suit your needs. Here's a pro tip. If you want to adjust specific data points or the overall appearance of your chart, this option will be key in fine-tuning your presentation. Google Docs connects seamlessly with Google Sheets for data management. To adjust the data in your chart, glance at your chart and locate the three dots menu, often referred to as the More Options menu. Click on it and you'll see the option to open source. This will direct you to a Google Sheets window displaying the data tied to your chart. Once in Google Sheets, you can freely click on and edit the values you want to change. Any edits or updates you make here will directly impact the chart in your Google Docs. This allows you to ensure that the data is current and accurately indicative of whatever you're aiming to represent. After making your necessary changes in Google Sheets, head back to your Google Docs. You'll see your chart there, and if it hasn't updated automatically, click on Update, which appears on top of your chart. This will synchronize the data updates from Sheets to your doc, ensuring everything is up to date. And that's it. You've successfully learned how to insert and manage a chart in Google Docs, linking data directly with Google Sheets. These tools empower you to present data clearly and professionally, enhancing the impact of your documentation. Thanks for watching and happy charting.